Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Dystrophin protein synthesis varies across different cell types, even though every cell shares the same DNA. Let's quickly solve this biology mystery together right now. Differential gene expression allows cells to perform specific functions by turning certain genes on or off. This process ensures that muscle cells produce dystrophin while other cells simply do not. While almost all somatic cells contain the exact same genome, they differ in their regulatory proteins. These proteins determine which parts of the genetic code are actually read and used. In muscle cells, specific activators bind to DNA to trigger transcription. This makes option B the correct choice for how specialized cells function. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush of picking wrong answers. Trust the given biological facts.